Today I'm going to show you how to take a simple box brownie mix and dress it up using some essential oils and other ingredients to make a decadent, delicious, souped up brownie. And make sure you stay till the end because we're going to take even these delicious brownies and we are going to dress it up even more to make this an elegant, gorgeous, and delicious brownie dessert that you could serve at the fanciest meal and get rave reviews. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 or whatever temperature your package. We're going to take a packaged brownie mix and we're going to mix it according to the recipe on the back. Now comes the magic part. We're going to take and add some peppermint oil to this. We're going to add anywhere between 2 and 4 drops. I like peppermint, so I'm going to go ahead for the 4. And we'll mix this in. And you can stop here or you can go one step further and make it even more decadent and delicious. And we're going to add some chocolate chips. You can add any kind of chocolate chips you like. You can do the milk chocolate, you can do the dark chocolate, you can do the extra dark. You can even do mint chocolate chips in here. And I usually add about a half a package because I like chocolate. This is going to be sinfully delicious. And just fold those in. Then we're going to pour it into our greased cake pan, 9x13 pan, and bake it according to the directions. So basically until a toothpick comes out clean. Here you have a delicious pan of souped up peppermint brownies. So good. Now you can dress these up just a little bit more simply by sprinkling a little powdered sugar on them. But I promised you an extra fancy way to serve these. So we are going to take our brownie. We're going to add ice cream, and hot fudge sauce. I'll put the recipe for this super delicious, really good homemade hot fudge sauce into the description below. We'll add some of this lovely hot fudge sauce. Add some pretty little squiggles around it. I'm going to add some whipped cream on top of that. Some sprinkles on top of that. And you have an absolutely beautiful and delicious decadent dessert that you would not be ashamed to serve at any fancy meal. And there you have simple, decadent brownies, a delicious, easy treat, so simple to make and so delicious in varying stages of elegance. So simple or with powdered sugar or ultra decadent. If you found value with this, click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways to use essential oils in your health and wellness journey because they don't do you any good just sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.